Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add footnote to your document in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google document and then I have prepared my document, and for example I'm going to add a footnote to this document. So first thing first, we need to select a sentence or maybe a paragraph we want to add footnote to, and I'm going to add footnote to the sentence. Right, we can click on the sentence we want to add the footnote to, and then click on this plus button, and you're going to scroll down until you find a footnote. Okay, and now the footnote has been added, and I'm going to add for example name like this. It's like a citation. Okay, and now it's done, and that's how we can add footnote to document in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.